In a changing world, courage, expertise, and resources are crucial. Here at Bilfinger, we are ready for change, ready to meet tomorrow's challenges. We are a powerful partner to our industry customers and aim to become their number one when it comes to efficiency and sustainability. With our end-to-end range of services, we support companies in achieving their goals in these areas, no matter if they grow or decline. We focus on our specialized competencies in the energy, chemicals and petrochemicals, pharma and biopharma, and oil and gas markets. But we can utilize our core competences over all process industries equally. Efficiency and sustainability are particularly important in energy-intensive industries, and demands on them are growing constantly. Increasing our operational excellence offers additional opportunities for Bilfinger to grow. By bundling and standardizing our solutions, we create a unique offering for our customers along their entire value chain, no matter which industry. Across the globe, digitally and through innovation. At Bilfinger, our people are at the heart of this growth. We systematically invest in the training and professional development of our team. We foster innovation and expertise to provide the best possible service. That's how we become our customers' number one partner in efficiency and sustainability, and pave the way for them to meet their financial and sustainability targets. Bilfinger is indeed the efficiency and sustainability partner of choice for an industry in change, today and in the future.